Evansville. The amazing snoring, the devastating snoring, Stonebraker. I think I hear him now. Follow me. He's right here. He's snoring. One remove, and he will spin on you while he snores, and you'll be devastated. You'll be gone. I'm going to try to get closer. Hang on. This has never been performed by any man ever. Get real close. You can see how his chin sinks in when he snores. That loads of poisonous venom that will shoot out at you if you're not careful. So we have to be very, very careful. Now, if his lips start to quiver, that means he's getting ready to strike. Because he gotta run.